Sorry. So I told myself that because of the coronavirus lockdown, I would be able to save a lot of money. Why, you ask? Because I will not commute anywhere, first of all. I won't be eating out. Second of all, I won't be hanging out with my friends, so I will not have to spend any money. Wrong. So I have been locking myself inside for more than 3 months now, and I must say, I spend more money than when I was busy working. And I know that I'm supposed to save my money because the market is going to crash when? Who knows? Tomorrow, maybe. I have bought more shoes. And so by the time I don't have money to pay for my rent and my bills, I'm going to be that one person that lives in their shoes. Anyways, I don't want to think about my bills right now, so let's jump straight right into my quarantine clothing haul. Okay, so it's still in the box, but the first thing that I bought a day before the lockdown began was, and I opened this box like 3 times, I guess. I wore these in my last lookbook that I filmed last week. This pair of boots by Raf Simons for Calvin Klein. I was eyeing on these a month or 2 before, and right when these went on sale, I decided to place an order, and the day after they announced the lockdown. So when the lockdown happened, I figured that I should just return the boots when I received them because I need to save my money. But when I got these boots, all of the stores were closed, so I decided to keep them. That was the main reason why, but not because of how pretty they are, and the metal tip is just so adorable. And I also love that these have the zipper on the side, so I will not have a hard time putting them on and taking them off like the other pair I have. A month or 2 later after the lockdown, I started shopping again, and this time I went on ASOS and I got a few things. The first item is this pair of trousers. I found them in the women's section. I love the fit of these pants so much and how they hug me really tight by the waist. I have a similar pair from Phillip Lim, but they are very oversized with wide cut, so these ones are a little bit different. If you don't know me by now, I have an obsession. If you don't know me by now, I have an obsession with pussy bow shirts. I have about 8 or 10 pussy bow shirts by now, and I bought another one. This one I found in the men's section, but the fabric is a little see-through, so I'm thinking of wearing like a turtleneck underneath for winter. But it's just another shirt that I can wear to work or to the grocery store. You know, very casual for me. Next, I got the sweater bib, I would say. It's like a sweater vest, but it's like a sweater vest. It's like a sweater vest, but not really. It's like a bib. As you can see, both sides of the sweaters are unattached, and I know that this style is super trendy right now, and I see it all over Instagram. I'm surprised I also found this in the men's section, so I got this in a small size. That was the only size that was available. I prefer a medium in this style just because I don't want it to be super cropped when I layer it over my shirt. So it looks like this. The last item that I got is this faux leather button up. This shirt is really pretty, and the leather doesn't look cheap at all, and it doesn't feel cheap either. Of course, I'm not wearing this in the summer, but I can't wait to wear this in the winter though. Since I love wearing matching tops and bottoms so much, I decided to get a pair of faux leather pants as well. And I got this pair from pretty little things. This is my first time buying from this website because I had a hard time finding like a wide cut pair of leather trousers, so my friend helped me and she sent me a link to this item, and I thought that the fit was perfect. Surprisingly, the pants go perfectly with the top, even though I bought them separately. So this is one of my winter looks. Stay tuned. I had a hard time finding a sleeveless sweater in the thrift stores. I know when you think of like those sleeveless sweaters, you think of your grandpa. Unfortunately, I couldn't find one in the thrift store, so I gave up. So I went on Amazon and I got one. It's just a simple, plain, black sleeveless sweater. You can wear this in the summer if you want, or in the winter because it's so easy for you to layer up. I have seen sleeveless sweaters all over the runway for fall and winter recently, so I was inspired by all the looks and I wanted to get one for myself just so I can start playing around with my looks a little. If I was styling this sweater, I would just wear it with like a shirt underneath, and then I would tuck both the sweater and the shirt inside my pants. I don't know why, but I just love tucking things in. So I saw this one item on Zara a few months ago, but they never put the item on the website. But they finally did recently, and this is another sweater bib. What did I say? It's like a bib, just like the black one that I showed you guys earlier. It's going to look really, really chic over an oversized button up underneath. I got this in a medium finally, so it doesn't look crop on me, but I'm very excited to give this style a try. You don't learn until you try, so I will see if this is going to work out for me or not. Recently, one of the thrift stores close to my house just opened again, and I decided to visit and see what I could get. I also wore a mask and my gloves. I was trying my best to be safe, and I found this vintage blazer. This blazer is different than the other ones that I have so far. It's knit and it's very, very light. I'm a sucker for blazers, so if I see any cool vintage blazers, I will always get them. Just like this one. This one is pretty cool. Other than the blazer, I also got the simple blue shirt. So when I found this shirt, it still had the tag on. So I guess someone just bought it and decided to donate the shirt. But since I had a lot of free time, I decided to put on some shoulder pads to make the shirt look a little bit more edgy. And I am really happy with the outcome of the shirt. I don't know why, but this last part is gonna be really, really exciting for me to tell you guys. And I don't know if it's gonna be exciting for you guys to watch as well, but I bought a few things from SSENSE. Yeah, I don't want to get deep into it because every time I go on that website, it's just painful to watch because they have so many cute things. Anyways, so there's this brand on SSENSE that is called Random Identities, and I think it's just a brand that was created for me. Anyway, so the first thing that I bought was this really, really cute pair of trousers from them. The thing that I really like about this pair of trousers is that it's very, very high-waisted. It fits me perfectly. I don't know how to describe it, but I have never found any pants that fit me so well. I'm so happy that I got these. They are straight cut, and the fabric is very thin, very light. Next, I got another pair of pants. Same thing from Random Identities. And this one is in this beige color. I feel like the cut is the same and everything is the same except this one is in the beige color. Once again, I love the high-waisted and I love the details. It has like a tiny pocket right here. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so this item, I did not buy it. My friends got it for me for my birthday, so thank you so much if you're watching the video, which you guys are not going to watch this video. I'm just saying thank you to show everyone that I'm a polite person. So I received the box, I opened it, and I did not expect it to be a Marine Serre t-shirt. I really like this t-shirt because it's so plain and simple, which is a tiny logo right here, but it's super recognizable if you wear the t-shirt, and if the person knows fashion, then they know that this is from Marine Serre. And if they do not know fashion, they will say, "Oh, did you get this at Comic-Con? Is that Sailor Moon?" There you go. So I really like this t-shirt. On the back it has this little text right here that says radiation. I don't know what that means and I don't know why it's there, but I don't care because I love the t-shirt. So most likely I'll tuck it in anyway, so I don't think people will see the text. Not that I hate the text. I like the text on the back, but I'm just saying that it's just there. So this next item I bought for myself, okay? And it's also a Marine Serre item. And I know, you guys already know what it is. I don't know if it's a mock neck or a turtleneck. I would say it is a mock neck, but it's... I don't want to describe this mock neck because I know it's just so perfect. And I decided to get it in this color, black and white, just because I thought that it would be easier for me to wear it with whatever I have in my closet. I would get the red and black too, or the nude and black, honestly, but I only had enough money to get one. Okay, so here's the thing. Let's have a quick talk before I show you guys the shoes. I really did not know what went through my mind that day and why I decided to buy them, but I bought them. And when I saw them in person, I fell in love with them. And when I tried them on, I said, I'm not gonna return these. Maison Margiela. I know you guys already had an idea of which pair of boots I'm talking about. So let me just open the box and show you guys. Some people collect stamps. Some people collect bags. Some people like to spend their money on expensive food. Some people like to spend their money on good wine. I love collecting shoes. I only buy designer shoes when I can see myself wearing them for the next 10, 20 years or even a lifetime. I don't think I'll be able to wear these 10, 20 years from now. But you know what? I am going to wear the shit out of these until I get so bored of them that I have to put them back inside their box. I don't know what went through my head on the day that I bought these boots on SSENSE. Was I going through something hard to deal with? Maybe. Was I having a panic attack? Maybe. But I got these just to try them on and see what they look like in person. Just wanted to see the vibe. Just wanted to see how they work, how you feel when you wear these, because you have to split your toes apart. And then when I tried them on, I was like, wow. The next thing I know, these are living in my closet for the past few weeks and I don't think I'm gonna return them. That's the problem. So let's talk about why I bought them. First of all, the heel on the back of this shoe. I love this length so much. This little heel right here will help me look taller because I love wearing straight cut or wide cut pants that cover my whole shoes. I will look a little bit taller and I don't know. I feel like I'm trying to come up with excuses of why I got these shoes, but let's just say this, I really appreciate the design of the shoes, and I think they will look really cool 10-20 years from now. Let's just say that I got them, and that's on that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you have any questions, anything you would like me to know, please use the comment section below. Please give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.